Okay, I wanted to review 6.6 because you will be having a quiz on this tomorrow, so I'm going to jump straight into it. Find the circumference of a circle with a 4-inch radius. I know that circumference is 2 pi r, which means that it's going to be 2 times pi times my radius, which is 4, which means it's going to be 8 pi, so 8 times 3.1416, and we have that our circumference is a total of 25.13 inches, okay? Moving on, find the arc length of a 60-degree arc of the previous circle. Okay, so notice this is the arc length divided by circumference equals the angle divided by 360. So we're trying to find arc length, so we don't have it, so I'm going to leave that as S. We have the circumference is 25.13, and we know that it equals the angle over 360, which is 60 over 360. Remember my shortcut where we just multiply both sides by the 25.3 to cancel that out there. And we are going to end up with 60 times 25.3 divided by 360, and we're going to end up with our sector length being 4.22 inches. I like this one because this one's very simple. So if two circles have circumferences of 7 feet and 10 feet, find the ratio between their radii. If we remember correctly, the ratio of the radii and the ratio of the circumferences are actually equal to each other. So it's the same thing with perimeters and corresponding sides. So for this, I'm going to put my first circle and I'm going to put my second circle. Notice I have a pi on top and a pi on bottom, which makes my ratio just simply be 7 over 10. If I had to simplify it, I would simplify it at this point. The last one is find the diameter of a circle that has a circumference of 20 pi inches. So I know that circumference is 2 pi r, and I know that in this case my circumference also equals 20 pi. So what I'm going to do here is put 20 pi equal to 2 pi r. I'm going to divide both sides by pi. Cancel that out there, cancel that out here, and I have that 20 equals 2r, divide by 2, divide by 2, and I have that my radius equals 10. Actually, at this point, I'm looking for the diameter. See, I even went too far there. It doesn't matter because it's pi times diameter in this case, so yeah, diameter is going to equal 20. So I made that a lot harder on myself because it's just simply pi times diameter. So that would just simply be diameter there. So our diameter equals 20. If you needed to find the radius, you divide that by 2 to find the radius. Okay, your next video is going to be over today's actual section.